Okay, this is Florence, the mathematics user, and we are looking at a WASI 2011 question. And we have 6 multiplying 9 to the power x plus 3 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we need to make sure that the indices we have here have the same base and the same exponent. So we have 6 here. 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2x, because 3 to the power 2 is 9. Plus 3 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 0. So our exponents are not the same. So this can also be written as 3 to the power x. Then we take the 2 out. Remember, a power raised to another power, we multiply. So x times 2 will give us 2x plus 3 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 0. And now since the indices are the same, we can say that let 3 to the power x be equal to a. So now we have 6. This becomes our a to the power 2. Then our 3 to the power x here is a minus 2 is equal to 0. A to the power 2 is a squared. So 6 times a squared gives us 6a squared plus a minus 2 is equal to 0. Now since the coefficient of a squared here is not 1, this will multiply the negative 2, where we obtain negative 12. So we need to find the factors of negative 12, which when we add, we obtain positive 1. And basically it is going to be 4 and negative 3. So we are going to have 6a squared plus 4a minus 3a minus 2 is equal to 0. Then we factorize. Here we obtain 2a out. Then we have 3a plus 2. Then here, minus 1 out. Then we have 3a plus 2 here is equal to 0. Then now, we'll say that our 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. And now our a, this will cross negative 2. This will divide on 3. Or 2a minus 1 is equal to 0. Our a is equal to negative 1 will cross and become positive 1. This is a coefficient, it will divide. We have this. So now, we go back to what we had here. We said that let our 3x, 3 to the power x, be equal to a. Let's pick our first value here. We have 3 to the power x is equal to negative 2 on 3 here. And now, since we don't have same basis here, we need to introduce log. So we'll have log of 3 to the power x is equal to log of negative 2 on 3. But listen, log of a negative number does not exist. So we ignore this. Let's pick the second one. We have 3 to the power x is equal to 1 on 2. This can be written as 2 to the power negative 1. And now, since they are not the same, we introduce log on both sides. And under logarithm, the exponent will move to this side. We have x log 3 is equal to the negation of log 2. Since we want x, the log 3 will divide. So let's check the value of log 3 using the calculator. Log 2 will give us so log 2. So for log 2, we have minus 0.3010. Then for log 3, log 3 is going to give us 0.4771. Now, when we divide 0.3010 by 0.4771, we obtain x as 0.6308. So now, log of a negative number does not exist. So our focus will be on this. So therefore, our x is equal to, let me write this into two decimal places, 0.63. And this is Florence, the mathematics tutor.